Hey guys, welcome back once again to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Kenya back on the video. Guys, it's been a long time I haven't done makeup videos, so it's Christmas, so I thought, you know what, let me do some Christmas makeup kind of thing. So today's video, that's what today's video is gonna be. As you guys can see, I've changed my background because this is where I'm gonna be filming. I'm filming on my bed. Yeah, this is what I'm gonna be filming from now. It's maybe I should open this window. Let me open this window so it can be bright, because I don't know why it's dark inside my room. Oh yes, no baby, I actually looks good. Yeah, looks good. But yeah, today I'll be doing a makeup video. So today I will be doing Santa Claus art on my eyebrows, like probably not on my eyebrows itself. Talking about here, like this place. Okay, Santa art and just some shadows and makeup basically itself. But I do not have red. I do not have a red shadow. Why? I don't know why. I do not know why I do not have a red eyeshadow. But I'll be using acrylic paint. I'll be using acrylic paints to do the white and the red because I do not have a red nor white. So yeah, before further ado, let's get on with the video. Watch to the end of the video. If you did enjoy the video to the end, give it a thumbs up. If you don't enjoy the video, if you reach the end, it's your choice. Yeah. So now I'm gonna be putting a powder, guys. I don't want to do those glamour kind of thing. I'm just gonna add powder, face powder. I am using the Wet n Wild Focus Press powder. Yeah, honestly I never find my shade. Okay, I don't know why I never find my makeup shade, and that really makes me sad. I've never find my shade of my makeup. I sometimes see it now, it's lighter, that one is darker. Okay, finding my shade is really hard for me, and I don't like that. Like, why can't I find my shade? Like, no, I need to find my shade. Like, please baby, I need to find my shade. Like, but I mean, this one is almost close to my shade. Maybe it's just my neck that is just black. Oh my god. She's cute now. I mean, she has always been cute though. So now we're gonna just put on our eyeshadow so we can make this cute look. See, I tell you guys, I don't have the eyeshadow, like the complete red eyeshadow, because I need to buy more palettes. So we're gonna make just like cute kind of eyeshadow. I'm gonna be using my Impress You Beauty Glaze. Beauty Glaze. None of these things is sponsored or anything. Okay, none of this is sponsored. So we're gonna just make it. So I had to close the window because it was too bright. Okay, we don't want brightness. Okay, so I've put the brown. Okay, I've put the brown. So we're just gonna add. What is that going on? Oh my god! Oh my god! What are you trying to do to me? Anyways, what am I looking for? Yeah, we're gonna put our corrector. What? I'm having dark eyes, baby. I need to calm me down, cause baby. And I'm gonna put this. I'll make this dry. I'll make them dry. There's some ways people put their own corrector. I put mine like that. We're different. Okay. And
what am I doing? I don't know what I'm doing, but
okay, I think we did something. I think she's cute. Okay, we're gonna blend in my thing underneath my eyes with this brush. Okay, I use this brush, you know, because I don't want it to be too much. I'm kind of person, I don't like that white thing underneath my eyes. I don't know, I just don't like it. So I use this one. Just blend it in, you know. Well, if you don't know, you know. I'm cute and that's on period. But the neck is not working out. Anyways, yeah. Now let's put our eyeshadow. My favorite, well, not favorite one, but like my all-time favorite eyeshadow is the golden one. I don't know, I just love something about that gold. Just makes my eyes pop in something like this gold right here. You see, I'm almost done with it. I don't know if you ignore that sound, please. Why do I look orange? I don't look orange. Maybe it's the eye resolution I put it in, but I do not look orange. Okay, my makeup does not look orange. Do not look orange, boo. Okay, so we're gonna put red lipstick because, you know, we're doing Christmas look. You know, I'm just making it plain again. We're gonna put red lipstick. Oh, so red. Hopefully this is red. Matte red lipstick. Please don't get my video copyrighted. Guys, please go outside. It's my sister in the room, obviously. Ew. Anyways, yeah, so I'm gonna apply my lashes. I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I don't do eyebrows, okay? I really don't like red lipstick like that. Like, I don't like red lipsticks.
You don't like you want to move it.
It's for a video, like Christmas theme. Never mind. You won't understand. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna do my brows. Honestly, I don't know how to do brows, okay? Don't come for me. Okay. Anyways, let's apply my lashes. Oh, sorry. Ooh, why do I look older? I don't like all this to make me look older. Like, can you please pause that video?
What?
Okay, thank you. Okay, guys, so we're gonna do the Christmas hats now. Since, please don't look at my eyelashes because it's bad. I don't know why it's bad, but it's bad. So we're gonna do the Christmas hats right now. I'm scared for this one because I don't know how to do this. First time ever. So now we're gonna draw. So I'm gonna use the paint. So now we're gonna draw a cloud. Well, not cloud, but like, oh my god, I'm scared. I'm scared. Like, I'm scared. Okay, let me check out. Let me do. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my chicken nuggets.
So,
oh my god. What? It looks bad, but like, it looks good on camera. Like, baby. Oh my god. My god. Tell me I didn't just kill this. Someone tell me well, I know I did, but like, someone like, what? Like, I mean, baby, like, first time, like, oh my god, I killed this. I literally killed this. I killed it. Like, I literally killed, like, I know. I killed it. Like, Santa Claus art for you guys. I did this. Oh my god, I used the paint. and I love it. Like, I literally love it. Oh my god, Ronnie. Why yes? Okay, guys. I cannot act because I'm getting acted like I kill this. Like, tell me, guys, how would you rate this? Like, it's not the best, but it's good. Like, Christmas. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, comment, like, share, subscribe, share this video with friends and family. If you guys really enjoy this video, subscribe, like, share this video. But if you don't enjoy it, I'm not gonna force you. Don't like it, don't subscribe. It's your own opinion. And I'm gonna see you guys on my next video. Bye.